These men and women that drive these trucks are essential to our economy. How essential, you ask? Let's put it this way. If it weren't for the trucks, you wouldn't be wearing any underwear right now. You probably wouldn't have any milk in the refrigerator, and who knows what else you wouldn't have. You get the point. So thanks very much for your time. Have a look at our website. And just remember, if you got it, a truck brought it. This is Alex at the Port of Los Angeles, Port of Long Beach for dieselwiki.com.